Have you ever wondered how automatic transmissions in cars manage to shift gears so smoothly, almost like magic? The answer lies in one of the smartest mechanical systems ever designed, the Planetary Gear System. From cars and helicopters to wind turbines and electric tools, planetary gears are everywhere. In this video, we're diving deep into how this compact and powerful system actually works. A planetary gear system has four main parts. First, the sun gear, the central gear that sits at the heart of the system. Next, the planet gears, smaller gears that revolve around the sun gear. These planets are held together by a rotating arm called the planet carrier. Finally, surrounding everything is the ring gear, a large outer gear with teeth on the inside. This setup allows multiple ways to transfer motion and torque, all in a compact, efficient space. The real magic of a planetary gear system comes from how we combine inputs and outputs. Here are three common configurations. 1. Fix the ring gear, input through the sun gear, and take output from the carrier. This gives us reduction in speed and increase in torque. 2. Fix the sun gear, rotate the ring gear, and take output from the carrier. This setup gives a speed increase. 3. Fix the carrier, rotate the sun gear, and output from the ring gear. This reverses the direction of rotation. By simply holding different parts still, we unlock multiple gear ratios in one compact mechanism. Let's look at some real-world examples. In automatic car transmissions, planetary gear sets work together to provide smooth gear shifts. In wind turbines, multi-stage planetary gearboxes help convert slow rotation from the blades into high-speed rotation for electricity generation. Electric bikes and power tools use them for compact power delivery. And in aerospace, helicopters rely on planetary gears in their rotor drives for power and stability. These systems are truly everywhere. To sum up, planetary gears are small, smart, and super strong. They pack power, efficiency, and flexibility into one elegant system. Which part of this system surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this deep dive, give the video a like and subscribe for more engineering breakdowns. Thanks for watching.